Hey everyone, it's Lauren Cannon with Millennium Sounds, and today we're going to check out one of our most recent projects. It's Barkefeller's Westfield. Let's look around. Family owned and operated, Barkefeller's has been welcoming four-legged friends since 2009. Millennium Sounds has been providing audio and visual expertise to the Barkefeller team for more than 10 years.
Our relationship with Millennium Sounds started about 10 years ago. I consider them extremely knowledgeable in the industry and very responsive.
Their new location in Westfield recently opened, and we ran the low voltage infrastructure and installed the indoor and outdoor security cameras. In addition, we installed more than 40 online streaming cameras and Pet Suite TVs, as well as the speakers for the music inside and outside the facility.
We're very fortunate to have acquired Millennium Sounds in helping all of our facilities. They take care of our needs in regards to all media, TVs, security cameras, sound systems. They're family-owned business, much like ours. Millennium Sounds keeps us informed of what's new and how it's going to help our customers. And that's why we continue to use them.
This place is positively awesome. If you and your four-legged friend are looking for a doggone good pet resort and spa, Barkefeller's is it. That's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you're following us on social media and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content. I gotta go play with my friends. Baby dog. Hi. Ooh, hello. Ready for his close-up?